In this session, you want to export our game, and for example, for PC or Android. Okay, first I explain it for the PC and then for the mobile. If you want to export your game for PC, you should disable the virtual sticks since they are only needed for touch devices. It is also better to disable the cursor during gameplay and only enable it when opening menus like the inventory. For opening the inventory, instead of using a UI button, you can disable the icon and bind it to a keyboard key such as I. To export your game, go to File, Build Setting, make sure all the scenes you want in the final game are added. You can drag scenes into the list. Then go to the player settings. Change the company name and product name. Make sure to add a game icon. In other settings, set a scripting backend to IL2CPP. Why? Because it is better for performance and it is more secure and it is required by many platforms. You can also change the bundle identifier here, for example, company name game name. Then build a game. It should work fine. Okay, so how to export your game for mobile? If you want to export your game for mobile, you need to bring back the touch controls. Go to build setting and select your platform, for example, Android. If Android is not available, download the module from Unity Hub. Click switch platform, then open player setting again. Most settings are the same, so I won't repeat them. Go to resolution and presentation. Uncheck portrait if your game is horizontal or landscape, or uncheck landscape if your game is vertical. In other settings, set texture compression to ETC2. Why? Because it has the best balance between quality, size, and compatibility on Android. And then carefully select minimum and target API level. Min API is lowest Android version you want to support. And the target API is usually the latest required by Google Play. For the final publishing, use IL2CPP. For fast debugging, you can temporarily use Mono. In publishing setting, create a key store. It is required to sign the app so you can upload updates to the store. It is better that you enable this custom thing so you have better control over your release build. Set minify to release, then build. And that's it, it works. This course is finished. Thanks for watching.